Y'all, as you can tell, we have changed the position yet again, and we are having a Wendy's mukbang par excellence. We are having the Sprite Beryy Blast. Say that 5 times fast. With no ice. Okay, now that is good. That is really good, guys. And we are having a double cheese with lots of napkins. Learn from the best, guys. Get lots of napkins, okay? I'm just going to warn you now. Always pays to get extra napkins, because they'll usually only put, about 3 or 4 napkins in there. At least get a couple or 3 more napkins, just in case, because you never know what the hell's going to happen. All right. I am hopeful, folks, that my time in the car is soon coming to an end. That is, of course, the primary thing. Oh, Sharpie's over there eating ice cream. This is good, guys. Sprite Beryy Blast. It is at McDonald's. McDonald's. Did I say Wendy's before? I'm sorry. McDonald's. At an undisclosed location, no less. This is pretty cool. This particular McDonald's is elevated above everything else, and so you can literally look out over other stuff. Very cool. Very cool. I like it. And I found a shade tree, y'all. I found the only shade tree, probably. But I did find a shade tree, and we're elevated so we can look out over everything. Very nice, man. The gods and goddesses of freedom religion rock, guys. They really do. They really do. What'd y'all think of that when my car was the only one in the shade? But there's a lot of upset people over that one, huh? I said, my car's awful hot. It sure would be nice if you could put it in the shade, right? And I didn't really think any more about it. I just, it's like it'd be really nice, because the car was already hot as it is, right? And so it'd be really nice if, it could be put in the shade. Well, they did it. All right, so McDonald's double cheeseburger disappears like magic. And the Sprite Beryy Blast is soon to follow. But yeah, I apologize if I said Wendy's before. I meant to say McDonald's. I am so sorry. But Wendy's, that particular Wendy's was really nice to me. And so, you know, I will not forget the people that were nice to me. Mark it on your calendar. I will never forget the people that were nice to me. Likewise, I don't forget the people that were mean to me. So, and you say, well, and why is that? I've always been that way. Going all the way back to elementary school. I can tell you the people that mistreated me or did me wrong all the way back to my elementary school when I first started school. All the way back to then, all the way up to now. The names of every single one of them and their faces are etched in my mind forever. Especially the ones that do evil. The ones that do evil and the ones that mistreat me, they especially get etched into my mind. And it's just, it's a thing, you know, it's a thing with me. Did you eat all that already? Let me see. Well, he ate about 90% of it, it looks like. He ate about 90% of it. He's putting a hurt on it. He's putting a hurt on it. You finish that up now. Mixed drinks. Anyway. But yeah, guys. It's wild how that works, but that is how I'm wired. No bullshit. And so, as a result, you know, it's just the way I am now, you know. Hopefully that will stay without falling. Falling. Alright, like that. It should be alright. Well, we'll swap that one with this one. And in that way, because that one's a little lower in stature and it doesn't have a lid that'll fly off. But anyways, Sprite Beryy Blast, yo. Sprite Beryy Blast and a double quarter pounder with cheese. So there we go. There we go, Maynard. And I am going to see you later. Bye.